connections are never more important in our lives, regardless of who we are or where we live. Across West Wales this February, we are dedicated to supporting our communities to reach out and connect through creating connections for all.
Cefnogir chwefror gan ystod eang o gysylltwyr digidol a hoffai gynnig y cyfle i chi gymryd rhan. Bydd angen ffordd ar nodyn dad-lein, felly ystyriwch siarad â llyfrgelloedd, neuaddau cymunedol a grwpiau lleol, ochr yn ochr a defnyddio eich offer eich hun.
February activities are offered to anyone living and working in West Wales, so please check out our calendar of events and register to join us through your County Connect platform. More sessions will be added weekly, so don't forget to check back with us. Not everyone is online, so please do reach out to your friends, family, neighbours and wider community in the coming weeks.
Bydd y ffyrdd newydd yma o weithio yn para i fod yn rhan mewn bywydau bob dydd, ac mae'n bwysig bod gan bawb sgiliau, gwybodaeth a hyder i gael mynediad a chefnogaeth i gymryd mantais o'r cyfleoedd hyn.
Together we are better, so let's reach out and make a difference. Join us in February and help us create connections for all.